Hi everyone, I just want to show you a couple of things I've been doing. I've been using this Heartfelt Creations Lush Lilac collection. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful papers. Incredible, beautiful papers. Anyway, first up, I've made this from a tutorial from Shellie Geigle. Thank you very much, Shellie. It's a box with a lid. Using those Lush Lilac papers. And inside I've got lots and lots of crafty bits. We've got some brags and some little clips. Please excuse the glue on my fingers, it's gross. A little stick pin. We've got a bag full of beads and some beading pins, some charms, and some flowers I made, handmade beaded flowers. And here we've got some ribbons and some laces on cards, a little bow. Oops. And down in this one we've just got some motifs, and here's some flowers and the stamens to make your own flowers. We have these flowers too. A hand beaded motif, I did that myself. We've got some pearl string. We've got some purple bling strip, a little gold bow, and some silver bling. All of these items come with the box. So, you know, it'd be nice for a gift for someone who's just starting out in craft perhaps. And over on this side we have got an assortment of flowers and some beautiful leaves. And then we've got some basic cardstock and some pictures for someone to, you know, just glue on and then decorate. All the cutting and measuring's done. All you need to do is glue and decorate, and the same with this, a couple of cards. Excuse me. There's a couple of, or 3 nice tags that came with the paper, and I glued on one of the silver blings to this clip, and I've got some clips in there, so you can do that to make your own clips. And here I've glued one of those flowers onto a large paper clip, just folding a tiny piece of paper around the clip there, gluing it, and then gluing the ribbon on, the flower on. And there's some journal cards, or I don't know, you can glue them onto cardstock and make your own cards. And here's some more. These ones just need to be cut out on the shape. I've included most things from the paper range. Some little circles with holes in. You can put ribbon on there, put a little message on. And here we have a little magnetized envelope, and we've got lots of little treasures in here. Little stamps. Just a note. Birthday wishes. They're gift tags. etc. or embellishments for your cards. Nice magnetised envelope. I've also included a couple of doilies and a lovely piece of lace. Another piece of beautiful lace, Nigerian lace this is. And some extra bows. And I'm sure the crafter who gets this will absolutely adore it. There we go. And that's the box. Oops, I haven't actually finished the bottom yet, but I will. And then today I used also some of these papers to make this. I saw a YouTube on these paper cups. Can't remember offhand who did it, but I'll find out. And I've stamped on the tea tag, Teammates. And decorated it. This is a piece of lace I hand dyed in a very, very subtle pastel way. It's absolutely stunning. And we're on some thick board here. You can see the cups, the handles, and that saucer on the bottom one. Lots of flowers and a little doily in there. I've made this for a friend, and I think I'll make more because I really like it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.